What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Smith Stay Silent. I'm coming back at you with another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to add projection lights in your car. This is for Cadillac specifically. I don't know how every car goes, but yeah, let's get right into it. Quick disclaimer, I already have the projection lights inside my car. I installed them yesterday. It's real quick and easy. These are the originals right here, and these are the ones that are already in the car. If you have a Cadillac, I don't know if this goes for every ATS out there, but mine's a 2013. Only get a 2-pack because you don't need the other two. I got a 4-pack. All right, so hopping straight into it. The only tool you're gonna need here is a flathead or a flat nose screwdriver, whatever you guys wanna call it. Yeah, so all you're gonna wanna do here is you're gonna go under. You're gonna wanna take this, pop it open just like that. And then from here is basically just a plug in, plug out type thing. So you're just gonna plug it out, take this plug right here. You're gonna plug out the original, of course, and then you're gonna plug this right in, just like this. And then after that, just squeeze in, and there you go, just like that. There you have it. Oh, don't mind me. Just gotta show her off real quick. But yes, sir, guys, that should be the end result right there. Like the video if it helped out.